Hi, welcome to this video on how to transfer a domain from Hostinger to Namecheap. First, log into your Hostinger account. In the dashboard, head to the Domain section and click Domain Portfolio to manage your domain. Find the domain you want to transfer and click the Manage button next to the domain. For the option to transfer lock and turn it off. This is necessary to allow the transfer to happen. Once your domain is unlocked, make sure to disable any domain privacy or voice protection, as this can interfere with the transfer process. So, next look for the authorization code. This is a unique code that will be required to transfer your domain to Namecheap. Click on this eye icon to reveal your code. Copy this code, as you'll need it when you initiate the transfer on Namecheap. Now head over to namecheap.com and log into your account, or create one if you don't have it yet. Once logged in, click on Domain Transfer under this Domain section from the dashboard. Enter your domain name in the search box and click Transfer. Namecheap will check if your domain is eligible for transfer. Next, you'll be asked to enter the authorization code. Paste the authorization code you copied from Hostinger earlier and click Verify, and also check this box. After completing the verification, click on this Add to Cart button to add your item to the cart. Proceed to the payment page by clicking on the View Cart button. Namecheap will charge you for 1 year of domain registration, which will extend your domain's expiration date by another year. I am not going to complete the payment process because I don't need to transfer the domain right now. Once you make the payment, the transfer will start it. Keep an eye on your email inbox. Hostinger will send you an email asking you to confirm the transfer. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to approve the domain transfer. You can check the transfer status in your Namecheap dashboard under Domain. So that's how to transfer domain from Hostinger to Namecheap. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.